Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Harvest app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you put together a client report in Harvest? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put together a client report anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers request a report on what you've been working on and what kind of hours you're billing for. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Harvest account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to put together a client report, what you're going to do is click here on reports here on the top orange button. Once you do that, you're going to see the report section right here. And usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on time. Once you click there, it's going to show you your monthly report, but you can actually segregate this by your customer. So right down here, you're going to see these four buttons: clients, projects, tasks, and team. So for example, if we want just one client, we're going to click right here on the client's name. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show the time report for this client right here. So as you can see, I worked 0.03 hours on this client. The billable amount is $3. And then it also shows the projects that I was working on with that particular customer. Now, this is for this particular month. However, you can change the time frame for your client report right here. So maybe we're going to do a quarter, or for the year, or just for the week. We can click on week. So once you have all of your report lined up, you can go ahead and export this as a PDF or even as a spreadsheet, and it's going to be right down here. Okay, right here is a button called export. Once you click there, you can go ahead and export as an Excel, CSV, or a custom. And what's going to happen is when you request it to be exported, you're going to get an email so you can download these documents. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to put together a customer or client report in your Harvest account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.